Hello, today we will talk about a new list of automotive products. Today video is about
car audio video accessories.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
TUNAI Firefly LDAC, easiest way to upgrade any stereo to Bluetooth and keeping sound experience authentic. It has the size of a USB drive. Also the easiest and fastest way to upgrade your stereo system at home or car. Simply plug into your stereo system to start your private concert. Simply plug into your stereo system to start your private concert. The more data transmitted, the more details you can hear. LDAC technology transmits 3 times more data than any other Bluetooth transmission technology. Most DAC used in Bluetooth receivers have limited performance, resulting in annoying high noise floors and blurry sound. An additional audiophile grade DAC from Cirrus Logic is used to effectively lower the noise floor and generate clean and crystal sound. The built-in ground loop isolator removes the static noise that comes from the car power system effectively. Firefly LDAC works just like a car built-in Bluetooth. Once the engine is started, it will automatically reconnect to your phone. Party mode allows connection to 2 different devices, and plays music from either device. With TUNAI Connect app, available in both iOS and Android, you can adjust the soundstage using the equalizer, update firmware, or advanced control of Firefly LDAC. Stereo systems that come with USB and phone jack input, simply plug in Firefly LDAC to your stereo. Stereo systems with phone jack input only, use the extension cord and any USB power adapter for power source. TUNAI, hear the significance.
This is the AFK-DD Bluetooth auxiliary adapter. Recently I wanted to pick this up so that I could start using hands-free calling in my car because I don't have a Bluetooth system. And it's been great. You simply plug it into the aux port, and you can connect your phone to it so you can have safe Bluetooth hands-free calling when you're driving. You can also plug it into speakers, computers, TVs, and other things that don't have Bluetooth to give them Bluetooth, so you can hook up some Bluetooth speakers or other things that might work. Overall, I'm very happy with how this has been working. It's small, discreet, easy to put away, and I think it's been a great purchase. Now let's dive in for a closer look and check out the details. You can choose between receiver and transmitter mode. Easily set up your own hands-free Bluetooth calling in your car. Get amazing hi-fi audio connection without any wires to connect. Easily set up your own hands-free Bluetooth calling in your car without any wires to connect. It's fantastic.